hope you can see this because it's dark where I'm looking. Let me get closer. Can we see it? I see them! Hello everybody. Today I am making hard-boiled eggs in my solar oven. So, it's pretty cool. The day has been under clouds and not in the sun. So the solar oven really didn't get up to more than 250 degrees. So I cooked these eggs in the solar oven for about 2 hours. Easter is on April 1st, April Fool's Day. And I wanted to be sure to get a special video on solar cooking out for all of you. So if you do have a solar oven or thinking of getting one, go ahead and do up a bunch of eggs. They're not only just for dyeing at Easter time, but you can also use them to make deviled egg sandwiches, stuffed deviled eggs, all kinds of great stuff. Fermented, pickled eggs, which is what my kids love. So anyway, I'm getting ready to pull these out and I'll let you see how they turned out. Rob is going to open up
that one's hard.
The easy to open Okay, I was a little worried there because usually these eggs are really easy to peel.
I think it's just it was.
So anyway, the eggs were still really, really hot, so we put them in water to cool them down. And Rob is peeling the egg here.
It comes off pretty easy.
Mm-hmm. And he already tried one. He said it was delicious. Oh, look at that. That is pretty.
Okay.
Very nice. Yes, completely cooked.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what I really like about doing hard-boiled eggs in the sun oven is the fact that your eggs aren't going to crack and you don't have white stuff, all the white coming out of the shell because you overcooked them or it cracked while you were cooking them. None of these eggs cracked and none of them leaked anywhere. They just cooked nicely. We brought them inside and Rob is peeling and eating one. So I think we're going to eat a deviled egg. We'll talk to you soon, guys.